Have you ever wondered how professional photographers achieve that beautiful background blur in their photos? It all comes down to one important setting on your camera: aperture. In this video, we're going to down aperture in just 1 minute so you can start taking better photos right away. Aperture is the opening in your camera lens that allows light to enter. It's measured in f-stops. The lower the f-stop number, the larger the aperture opening. A lower f-stop, like f2.8, creates a shallow depth of field, perfect for portraits where you want the background to be blurry. On the other hand, a higher f-stop, like f16, creates a deep depth of field, ideal for landscapes where you want everything in focus. Adjusting your aperture also affects your exposure, so be sure to compensate with your ISO or shutter speed. So next time you pick up your camera, don't forget to play around with the aperture settings. Happy shooting!